So my dear friends, till now we have discussed about our model package and we have also discussed about our DAO package. Now we will discuss about our service package. So when any request which is coming to controller, then controller will invoke the service layer. So let us discuss about our service package. So here inside our service package, I have created an interface with the name customer service and I have also created an customer service implementation class. So let us first discuss about our customer service interface. So these are the various methods which we have defined inside our customer interface, and these methods are those methods which is invoked by controller. So here I am having an get all customer details method, then an get customer method which is used to get the information of a particular customer. Then we are having an add customer method which is used to add the customer to our customer's map. Then we are having an update customer email ID method and an update customer phone number method. And we are also having one more method which is used to remove the customer or to delete the customer from our customer's app. Now let us see the implementation of all these methods inside our customer service implementation class. So my dear friends, when we have declared a customer DAO implementation class, then we have used an annotation that is @repository, and when we create an implementation class of our service layer, then we have to use an annotation that is @service. So @service annotation provide the information to an IOC container that this particular component belong to this service layer. So inside our customer service IMPL, I have created an instance variable which is of type customer DAO, and here you can see that we have marked our customer DAO with @autowired annotation. So this particular annotation can be used with a field or it can be used with methods, and we can also use this annotation with constructors. So this @autowired annotation is used to inject the dependencies to our application. So when we are marking any field with @autowired annotation, then we don't have to worry about a creation or destruction of an object, and it will be taken care by an IOC container. So IOC container will be responsible to inject the dependencies to our service implementation class. Now here we are providing the implementation of our get all customer details method. So here by using our customer DAO reference variable, we are invoking and get all customer details method whose implementation we have provided inside our DAO implementation class. Here we are checking if this list is empty, then in that case it will throw an exception with a message that is no customer available. And here we are returning our customer list. Now here I have provided an implementation of our get customer method. It is accepting an customer ID. So by using the get customer method which we have provided inside our DAO class, we are passing the customer ID and we are checking that this particular customer is available in a repository or not. And if it is not present, then we are throwing an exception with a message, and if customer detail will be there, then we are returning that particular customer object. And here we are providing the implementation of our add customer method. So this is the customer data which we are passing to our add customer method. And here before adding the customer details, we are checking that whether this particular customer is already present in a map object or not. And if this particular customer is already present, then in that case we are throwing an exception with the message as customer already exists. Similarly, we have also created an update methods. So this is our method to update the email ID, and this is the method to update the phone number. So here we are passing an customer ID and the mail ID which we have to update. So before updating, we are checking that whether customer is there for this particular customer ID, and if this customer is not available, then we are throwing an exception that no customer available with this particular customer ID. And if customer data is present, then in that case we are updating the customer mail ID and the customer phone number. And here we have provided the implementation of our remove customer method. So here by using this customer ID, we are first getting the details of that customer, and if the customer details is not present, then in that case we are throwing an exception that no customer available with this particular customer ID. And in case when customer detail is available, then we are calling the remove customer method which we have defined inside our DAO class. So by using this method, we are removing or deleting the details of the customer ID which we are providing to our remove customer method. So these are the various methods which we have defined inside our service class, and here we have used and two important annotations. First one is @service which is used to mark any component as a service class, And then we have used an @AutoVaid annotation. So this particular annotation is used to inject the dependencies.